Okay. So now, yes, now what's your goal actually? What's your plan? Do you want to grow your channel and
I
also?
just Yeah, I just the put a little promotion on the Facebook, isn't it? So then that's how the soccer, I think, the contacted me about this. So then
Okay.
I was just curious, and then you know what? So then the we are not like people just celebrities to just the
Okay, no
promote this.
problem. So what's your niche actually? You are teacher, right? So you want to
Yeah,
yes, you want to teach people.
I'm an associate professor in material science
Okay. I respect you because you are a teacher.
yeah. Go ahead. Yeah,
No
very
problem.
well.
So yes, so if you want to teach a lots of people with in a what platform, on platform, okay, it will easy because YouTube has lots of audience. You know, you can find, you can target your targeted audience, no problem, targeted learners, okay, because in one classroom you don't be able to teach a lots of students, right? But YouTube is a platform that will help you to teach a lots of audience in a time, okay, without any confusion, without any disturbance. This is the thing. So if you want to teach your targeted learners, okay, no problem, it is possible, but need to optimize your videos, and also beside this you have to create a qualityful content, the informative content, so that your audience will listen and also watching your content and also your lesson, right, step by step. If they will think your lesson is very helpful for them, they will easily connected with you, continue to watch your video.
Yeah. So that's obvious. Yeah.
So no problems. Beside using and also making qualityful content, you have to optimize the each and every video, okay. I mean the perfect titles, description, hashtags, and also create an eye-catchy thumbnail. Sarkar was showing and also told that area, right? Yes, your
Yeah, we
banner.
just started the conversation. Yeah, we just started the
Okay,
conversation.
so
So
your
then,
banner.
are you guys doing any website related things as well? Creating websites and things?
Yes, if you want to get more traffic, you have to create a website besides YouTube. Cause you know, if you want to well known by online platform, you have to create a Facebook page, YouTube, and also besides website also. Cause YouTube is a platform you can only making a video and also upload, but from the YouTube you can convert your audience and also your learners to your website. If you have a paid course and also another details, they will find easily on your website, okay, because
Yeah.
sometimes you can launch your paid course on and also paid class.
I mean, yeah. So we are looking for someone to create. It's not a the video for personal the page also. So then we are looking for another it is another website for another like we trying to form a little company over there. And then I
Okay.
think we gave it to someone in India.
Yes.
So through this what you call it these websites like the
WordPress.
freelancers.
Yes.
Freelancing websites, yeah.
Okay.
So, but I think it was not good enough. So then one of my friends looking into that one. So then if you are doing, then I can just introduce him, and then so he will give the job to you.
Okay,
Then
no
then
problem. So we can do that, no problem. Besides YouTube, okay, we can provide you a website by WordPress and also coding if you have on, no problem. Okay. Do you about know
yeah,
the
yeah.
programming?
Yeah, I do bit of, but maybe not what you do actually. I just do MATLAB coding and Python and those kind of things.
Yes,
These are
no
things
problem.
okay.
It will easy because you don't. I think as you are a teacher, you are a lecturer, you are a professor, right? You don't have enough time to control your website, right? So that I have a suggestion for you. It will easy for you if we can make a website by WordPress. It will easy to control from the back end. When we will give you the instruction, you will easily control from the back end. No problem. It will easy better than the programming website. Okay. Okay, in future if you want we will create for you, no problem, but at first you have to make with us a good relation and also grow your channel, then you can think about the website and also another thing. We will
Yeah,
work together. Am I right? So, and yes,
yeah.
if you, cause you know right now YouTube is most popular cause a lots of audience, lots of people, and also lots of learners are using YouTube, okay. YouTube is most popular, besides Facebook and also Google. Okay. so that if you want to grow a lots of audience to learn them, to teach them, you can start with YouTubing, no problem. And beside this, every man needs money, you know, right? So that if you can grow your YouTube and if you will apply for the monetization and fulfill the monetization approval, beside this you will earn revenue from the YouTube. Here is lots of opportunity to learn and also get revenue, you know. Okay.
Yeah. So then I know these facts, but so yeah, that's right.
Yes, the earning also, the revenue will earn and also coming automatically, no problem. Cause if you have to continue with the YouTube and also uploading the qualityful video, qualityful content, okay, and also the need optimize properly, need to increase SEO score, and also beside this you have to create a lots of backlink. Backlink means after completing the SEO sector, I mean on page SEO, you have to share your video with a lots of social media group like Facebook, Pinterest, Reddit, Quora, LinkedIn, a lots of social media groups, so that your channel will be able to create a lots of backlinks, and the YouTube will choose your channel. Cause right now YouTube choose that type of channel, that channel is creating a lots of backlinks by sharing their video, okay. And we know about that, no problem. Okay, if you want, we will help you to grow your channel, no problem.
Yeah. All right. So okay, the you can just okay. So the we can look into whether we can improve the weavings and those kind of things.
Yes.
So so if I just share with you okay. So here, all right.
Lots of client, no problem. You can trust us, you can depend on us, and at first we have to make a good relation, then we will continue, okay. Because if we can give you the best service, the qualityful service, and after that if you will get some results from our service and get benefit, you will definitely choose us, depend on us, okay, and also hire us again and again, right? So this is our first goal, no problem. You can, so if you want, you can hire Mr. Sarkar for a week to justify his all quality, okay, to see, and he will also prove himself for 1 week, and after finishing 1 week, if you can decide, you can take your decision to continue or another thing, no problem. After finishing 1 week work, if you will see we are okay for you, you can continue with us, or if you think we are not good for you, not enough for you, you can reject us, we don't mind, no problem. But I want to assure you that we will try our best to grow your channel, no problem.
Yeah. Okay, so then how it works actually?
Yes, actually you just make him as a channel manager, just manager. After that he will be able, yes, do you want to note down that?
Yeah, no, it's okay, just go ahead. Yeah, so
Okay, you just need to make him as a channel manager, then he will optimize your video, titles, description, and also hashtags. Before adding the hashtags, he have to research your hashtags, your related hashtags, and also demandable hashtags, so that your related learners will, when search by your hashtags, okay, related hashtags, your video will rank first page on YouTube. This is the thing, that's why need to research hashtags, need to optimize hashtags, and also he will create a thumbnail for you each and every video if need any update, and after that he will start to create lots of backlink, and you will see your subscriber will increasing, comments, like, and engage will increasing, okay. This is the thing. So you can give a opportunity for 1 week for hiring, okay, 1 week. After that you will it will easy to take your decision also.
Yeah. So so then for the 1 week hiring, so then how it works, so then how much it will cost, and then what's going to happen?
Yes, actually let me discuss. শুভ কত বলবো শুভজিৎ?
যেটা বলেন এখন
Actually may I know your name please?
I can see my name Tamila Bekon.
Okay, no problem. So we are working with USA UK client, okay, weekly $80 to $100, but you are from Sri Lanka, right? So are you Sri Lankan?
No, yeah, so I'm in Sri Lanka.
Okay, so but your currency is not similar as the USA currency, right? That's why we can consider for you 50 is reasonable for you.
I mean, so the 54 for
1 week to justify us 50.
yeah, that should be okay. Yeah, $50.
Yes, $50 at first, and after finishing 1 week work, if you will think we are okay for you, and if you want to make with a deal with a monthly, we will also reduce some price, no problem for you.
Okay.
Okay, for a monthly, no problem.
Yeah.
But
Okay,
you have
that's
to
fine.
yes, you have to hire us for a week to justify us, to prove ourselves, okay, and also give us opportunity, then we can continue.
All right. Okay. Yeah. So then the pay you going to send me like payment option
Yes,
like where
PayPal, do you have PayPal?
I'm not using PayPal.
So what the payment method you have? Cash App, Venmo, Wise?
I can just the check for the possibility, and if once you send me the detail, you can send me like your the bank details, IBAN, and bank account numbers and so on. The bank account number, and then the bank name, and then I.
Do you know about the Western Union, please?
Yeah, I know that. Yeah,
Yes, is it possible to send the money by Western Union?
yeah, that's possible as well.
Okay, okay. Let me discuss it. Shobhajit, Western Union আনতে পারবেন?
ওয়েস্টার্ন না দেখতে তো ইন্ডিয়াতে আছে,
হ্যাঁ,
ইন্ডিয়াতে আছে সঙ্গে
কি আছে?
প্রসেসটা
আপনার কি
এখন কি
আপনার ব্যাংক ডিটেলস দিতে বলে অথবা এরকম কিছু? Actually, Samil, do you have the Payoneer account also? Payoneer?
পেইনারে যাবে
And so normally when I do, I'm not doing much international payment. So then only when I do like I just transfer the money to they give me like their big bank account number, bank name, and big and the IBAN. Then we can transfer.
Okay,
Then, but if you want me to use Western Union, that is also an option. That's fine.
okay. Either Western Union or also bank details, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, no problem. So let me discuss with শুভ কোনটার কথা বলবো?
ওয়েস্টার্ন ব্যাংক
Yeah, how yes.
Send it over. It's okay.
What type of details do you need if you want to send the money by Western Union?
The Western Union, I don't know. I have to check for it actually.
Oh.
Okay, so then I have done the bank transfer. So then in that case, so then I recently made one payment to Australia. So what they had sent me like the bank account number, bank name, and then your name actually bank account, the number and the name and the bank name and the equal BIC, BIC, and the IBAN, IBAN.
Okay,
So,
okay.
that's what you can get them online from your when you log on to the online banking. You can get those details actually.
iBanking. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, IBAN and BIC, BIC, and then IBAN.
Okay, okay. I think it's actually we are not familiar in this option. That's why actually we are using PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Wise. Okay.
Yeah, Western Union. I think that should be okay. So then, but I haven't done anything recently because I don't remember. But it's just lots of shops nearby, and you can do that as well.
Actually, Tamil, we have a easy option for you. If you will provide a video to create a Payoneer account from your side, because you are going to YouTuber, right? So in future you can hire for another thing, another person, or in future. So that's why if you can create a Payoneer account, you just need only 10 minutes. After that, you can add your card from the Payoneer, then you can deliver the payment. That's why. So Shubha, if you want, Shubha will provide a video. How can you make a Payoneer?
Yeah, do you want to send this over and then please? Yeah, then the details. Yeah.
Yes, yes. So if when after that you can be able to create a Payoneer and also add your cards, and also you will be able to send money.
Yeah. Okay. So then, because I'm not familiar with these options anyway.
Okay, no. You just you can just see the video, then you will be easy to make the Payoneer. No problem.
Yeah, please share these things, Disaka, so then drop into the Facebook page or my email as well. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thanks for your time.